Namaskar, I am Vijay Dabral, physics teacher. I have more than 20 years experience of teaching physics. Well, before joining this course, I was facing different types of problems in my life, such as overthinking, anxiety, stress, fear of unknown mishappening, etc., etc., and due to which my life was not so comfortable and the things were getting complicated. So I joined this workshop named Mindfulness and Chakra Balancing Workshop, organized by Dr. Jitendra. And the result was so amazing, so surprising, beyond my imagination, my expectation, beyond my physics. So I called it metaphysics. Really, I entered in the world of metaphysics. During this workshop, I learned how to synchronize the frequency of mind with the frequency of universal mind and the 5 elements of the nature. Then I experienced the chakras points and learned how to activate them. Again, the result was so surprising. I will tell you later. Then we learned about the brain waves that determines the mood of a person. Then we learned about the anger management, how to control our anger. This is very important for all of us. If we learned how to control our anger, the life will become very peaceful, really. Then we learned how to control the left and right brain, balancing of mind, balancing of brain. Do you know one amazing thing? That mind control our body, and that is the cause of all suffering we face in our daily life. Here in this workshop, I learned how to control our left and right brain according to the situation. And it really works. And now I will tell you about the result, what I am experiencing now. After this workshop, my energy level have been improved. Quality of everything have been improved. Quality of sleep, quality of, you can say, energy level, quality of thought, everything has been improved. Now, my thoughts are clear, totally clear. There is no space of overthinking. It seems that someone has healed my internal body, spiritual and physical body. All organs are functioning smoothly. To check that our energy level has improved, we did one experiment before the workshop and after the workshop. We tried to lift one commercially filled cylinder and we lifted it up to 1/5. You can also try it at your home. It is very difficult to lift it. But after the session, especially chakra balancing workshop, when we try to lift the cylinders, the same cylinder in this time, we were able to lift it up to 4 to 5 feet. That was so surprising for me. And it shows that our energy level is also increasing. So I am very thankful to Dr. Jitendra to organize this workshop. And I am really sure that this type of workshop is going to be helpful for me to live blissfully and happily. Thank you, Dr. Jitendra.